You're going to want to give the staple of the green aisle a try. Guinness shepherd's pie. Let's go. Let's start with some basic mashed potatoes and then kick them up a notch. We add cheddar cheese, milk, butter, and a little bit of salt. Smash them all together and mix completely, and then look at that cheese pool. Now, let's go ahead and cook the ground beef. You could also use lamb here, or a mixture of both if you prefer. Remove from the pan and leave a little bit of the fat behind. Add in the onions and cook until tender. Add your tomato paste and flour and cook until this mixture turns a nice rust color. Now let's make our gravy. We're going to deglaze with beef stock, Worcestershire sauce, and a bottle of the good stuff, Guinness. With all of that, let's bring it up to a simmer and add back our ground beef, frozen peas and carrots, and a little bit of thyme. Simmer and reduce by half. Go ahead and add the mixture to the bottom of a baking dish and then top with your mashed potatoes. We use a spoon to create a little bit of texture here. This goes on the grill at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the sauce is bubbly. The smoke from the hickory pellets we used was a perfect touch. Trust me, you're going to want seconds.